On May 19th, 2024, eastern Tennessee faced one of its most catastrophic wind outbreaks in its history. A deep low pressure system originating from the west central plains intensified rapidly, interacting with warm, moist air from the Gulf of Mexico. Also, a powerful jet stream aloft, with winds exceeding 150 mph at higher altitudes, enhanced wind shear, fostering the development of severe thunderstorms. Daytime heating combined with ample moisture from the Gulf of Mexico contributed to moderate to high instability, fueling the potential for rapid storm development. The advancing cold front acted as a lifting mechanism, triggering the initiation and organization of severe thunderstorms along its leading edge. All began in the early hours of the morning. At 6 a.m., the National Weather Service issued a severe thunderstorm watch for the entire region of eastern Tennessee. By 9 a.m., the situation had escalated, and a PDS severe thunderstorm watch was put into place. Residents in cities like Knoxville, Chattanooga, and Johnson City were urged to prepare for extreme weather. By the afternoon, severe thunderstorms began to develop along the Cumberland Plateau, rapidly moving eastward. At 1:30 p.m., severe thunderstorm warnings were issued as the storms intensified, bringing large reports of large hail and strong winds. At 2 p.m., a tornado watch was issued due to the potential for isolated tornadoes, but the primary threat remained damaging winds. By 2:15, damaging winds of up to 90 mph were reported near Chattanooga, causing widespread tree damage and knocking power out to thousands. As the storms moved towards Knoxville, wind gusts increased to a staggering 100 mph, leading to extensive structural damage and downed power lines. By 6 p.m., Knoxville was under a severe thunderstorm warning as a line of powerful storms approached the city. Wind gusts reached 110 miles per hour, causing significant damage to buildings, vehicles, and infrastructure. Emergency services were full with reports of downed trees, blocked roads, and damaged homes due to the very strong winds. By 7 p.m., damaging winds continued to batter eastern Tennessee. The strongest wind gusts reached up to 120 miles per hour, resulting in entire neighborhoods and cities experiencing roof damage and many older structures being severely damaged. Large hail, up to 3 inches in diameter, fell in several locations, adding to the destruction and creating hazardous conditions. While the wind was the primary threat, isolated tornadoes did occur. At 8 p.m., a weak EF1 tornado touched down near Johnson City, causing minor damage to trees and buildings. At 10 p.m., heavy rainfall led to flash flooding. Some areas received over 5 inches of rain in just a few hours, causing rivers and low-lying areas to flood rapidly. Severe weather continued into the early morning hours. By 3 a.m., the storm system began to weaken, but flash flooding remained a significant concern. Emergency services worked tirelessly throughout the night to assist those who were affected by the severe thunderstorms. In the aftermath, the extent of the damage was clear. Hundreds of thousands of homes and businesses suffered roof damage, and major infrastructure was severely impacted by the severe thunderstorms and flooding. Recovery efforts began immediately. Local and state authorities coordinated relief efforts, providing food, water, and medical supplies to those in need from after the severe weather event. Power companies worked around the clock to restore electricity, focusing first on the critical infrastructure. The May 19th, 2024 severe weather outbreak was a reminder of the power of nature and the resilience of the people of Tennessee. Through preparation, response, and community support, the region began the long process of recovery.